AI can help you start a business in minutes, but it can also set you up for failure just as fast. And most people don't realize the difference because they think speed equals success. But in business, structure determines success. So today I'm going to show you what AI can do, what it can't do, and what you need to know before you rely on it to build your business. Let's be honest, AI is everywhere right now. People are using it to generate business ideas, write business plans, create content, even form LLCs and nonprofits. And on the surface, it looks like a shortcut to success. But here's the truth. AI makes things faster, but it doesn't make them accurate for your situation. Let's give AI its credit. AI is powerful. It can help you brainstorm ideas, draft documents, organize thoughts, and create basic structures. It can even guide you through naming your business, outlining your mission, and drafting basic plans. And that's valuable. But here's where people get it wrong. AI does not understand your specific situation. It cannot interpret legal requirements accurately for your case or ensure compliance. It won't position your organization for funding. AI gives general information, but business formation requires specific structure and strategic positioning. Getting that wrong can delay approvals, cost you funding, or even shut you down. The biggest mistake I'm seeing is this: people are using AI to replace expertise. Instead of using it to support it, they copy and paste generic documents, and then they wonder why their LLC isn't set up properly or their funding is denied. It's because the structure was never done correctly. A real business is built on proper structure, legal compliance, and strategic positioning. These things require understanding, experience, and strategy, not just speed. AI is not the enemy, it's a tool. Use it to brainstorm, draft, and organize. But for legal documents and funding, you need strategy and expertise behind it. If you want to build your business the right way, not just the fast way, comment ready below or click the link to start your readiness assessment. I don't just help you start, I help you build something that's structured and ready to grow.